Hello guys and welcome back again by this new crypto daily update video, and today we're gonna discuss all these charts and what's gonna happen next, and let's dive right away into it right now. As we can see, we talked about this support line, support trend line a few times here, and every time we talked about it about a support perspective. But what we are currently seeing right now, after we got supported 1, 2, 3, 4 times here, we're currently seeing that we have opened a close below it. So what do we want to see right here? And it's something you really want to keep in mind, because if we break this support zone, we are really anticipating on a little cool down towards the towards the downside. So what do we want to see here in the upcoming day is that we pump above this line again and find support on it again, because if we go down from here, the candle of tomorrow will start below it with this body, with this whole body. So that means that we probably will see some cool down momentum towards the downside. So this is something we really want to keep in mind, because everyone talked about this as major support, and it was major support in the past. But now maybe times are changing, and we got that little cool down towards the downside. But for now, if we pump towards the upside and stay above this green line, nothing happens, and we're just anticipated as support. But if we reject from here, then we will see it as a broken support line, which could lead to a cool down here. So that's pretty important to know. Then also, Bitcoin is in a momentum squeeze, a really big one. We have some resistance on the top side here 3 times, and we have some support on the lower side here. Also, we can anticipate it maybe more like this. Then we have 3 touch points on the lower side, so that's even better, I think. So this means that we probably will have a breakout anytime soon, and if we break out, we can look for a pretty big move towards the upside here. I think it will pump towards 110, 115, 115k. Maybe we will push further towards 120k if we pump towards the upside, of course. If we dump towards the downside with a cool down, this is a level to expect to hold. But for now, I'm really curious to see what we will do next with this momentum squeeze. And also, you can trade this, of course. We talked about this many times. If we break the top side, the resistance, you retest it, then this is your long entry towards the upside. If we break the support, we retest it, then this is the entry for the short. So really curious to see what we will do here. And if we do break out, I will post it live over on my X channel, and if I open a trade, I will also post it right over there. So please make sure to follow me over on X to never miss a move again, because I literally sharing live trades here. So that's pretty important to follow me over there if you never want to miss a move again. Then also, we can see here that we are building up some momentum towards the liquidity towards the top side and liquidity towards the downside. So we haven't really got a direction where to take out the liquidity, but we have both zones we can look out for. And this is something you want to keep in mind, because what they can do is just pump towards the upside, take the liquidity from the upside, pump towards the downside, take the liquidity from the downside. So be curious with that, and we'll see. It isn't that much liquidity, so maybe tomorrow we have some more data to know, okay, this direction we will take out. But for now, it's pretty good to notice that we have both sides liquidity, and we maybe got a fake out towards the upside or downside to take the liquidity out and then make the move upwards or downwards in this position here. Then also the crypto total market cap is slightly pushing towards the upside, even more than Bitcoin in my opinion, because Bitcoin just nothing really pushed towards the upside. And what we can see on the total market cap here is that the structure is pretty nice, because this was the structure, this low, then we broke this high, then we made a higher low, higher high, higher low again, and that is what we are currently seeing. Also here we have some resistance on the top side, touch 3 times. We have some support on the lower side, touch 3 times as well. and we are supporting on it right now. And now we can anticipate for that move higher again towards these levels, because these are pretty high confident levels where we want to trade to. So please make sure to anticipate on this channel. Also here exactly the same. If we break this high and break this top resistance here, we can open a long trade. If we break this support right here, we can anticipate an opening a short trade, because then we also flipping structure here, because this is the low you want to hold. If you break this line, you're probably gonna lose this low, and that's exactly the same with the high. This is the high you want to gain, and if you reject it, it's probably you will go down even more. So this is a pretty interesting one. Also because Bitcoin the structure is pretty weird. Bitcoin is more going sideways in like this pattern, but now we're seeing on a total that we definitely moving up here, and that's exactly what you want to see, even if Bitcoin goes a little bit sideways here. So pretty good to see. Then also Ethereum, we talked about this pattern few times here, and we still haven't seen the breakout. This yellow line is the neckline. We need to break to confirm the pattern. So we have a left shoulder, head, right shoulder. If we break above it, then we can anticipate on a trade on it. But we still haven't seen that breakout towards the upside, so we're still waiting for that. Also, if it happens, I will post it right away over on my X channel, and you can anticipate on it. So this is only a bullish pattern. So this is only if you trade towards the upside and break the upside, that is when you want to anticipate here. Also, we have some support on the lower side. We can anticipate it also with a momentum squeeze here. And if we break this, you can short it also towards the downside. But for now, I'm only looking for longs on Ethereum here, because I really think that Ethereum is gonna take over in a few in the upcoming months. So pretty interesting to see here. Then also the USDT dominance, a pretty important chart if you ask it to me. We have topside resistance here. 1, 2, 3 times. We have support right here. And what we are anticipating on is just a move resistance, support. We got resistance, we haven't got support here. So what can we expect is that price gonna move further down towards the downside. And that will mean that if the USDT dominance drops another 16% here, that we will see money coming into the crypto market, new money coming into the crypto market, into altcoins, into Bitcoin. So that's exactly what you want to see. So I think there's more downside on the USDT dominance, which could lead to a surge of money flow into crypto, the whole general crypto market. So that's exactly what we are anticipating on it right now. I don't really think that we will get support here and then maybe break out or got resistance there as well. I think we will go to the support zone here below, but let's see. Then also the Bitcoin dominance is looking so bearish. Maybe if Bitcoin, if you look at the total is moving up and Bitcoin is just moving a bit sideways here, that could lead to a momentum shift towards some altcoins. Because what can we expect when Bitcoin hit new all-time highs is people are taking profits and putting it in altcoins again. And we did saw that exactly last week. And now we're currently seeing that the Bitcoin dominance is at a real turning point. If we do see a rejection here, it could go very fast towards the downside. And with Bitcoin set a new all-time high, and keep in mind that people are switching their profits into altcoins to make even more gains. That is something I'm really curious to see what the Bitcoin dominance will do here and what the total market cap will do here. Because this is usually a point where probably alt season could start when Bitcoin made a new all-time high, because people are just taking profits and moving them into altcoins. So if you want to be updated every single day, please make sure to follow me here over on X. I'm posting charts every single hour. And if you want daily updates and live streams, please make sure to follow me here over on YouTube, because you will never